Hello everyone! Today I'm going to discuss the 48th question of database management system. Let's see the question. Here's the question set 48. And here there's a school called Ranabima School, and the principal has decided to create a software to enter the information of teachers and students. So that's the scenario, and we have to create a database and those tables. So in my previous videos I have already created the database and the related tables. So in this question set, in the first part of this question, we have to change the first name of the 5th student on the student ID card to amender and make the relevant code. So in the first part we have to change the name to amender whose ID is equal to 5. In previous videos we have already created those student tables, and I have already entered the data into those tables. Here's the database and here's the student table. So in this part we have to change this first name of this student to Amanda instead of Almeida. So for that we have to use DDL queries. So let's see. To write DDL queries, I'm going to use this command line. So first of all, I have to enter the password. So I'm entering the password. So you can see now I can write the relevant query. So before that, we have to select which database we are going to use. So in this question set, we are going to use this Ranabima School DB. So first of all, we have to write which database we are going to use. So here you can see by using the command use, we can get the particular database. So here I have selected the Ranabima School DB. So the database has been changed. Now in the first question we have to change the first name of the 5th student to Amanda. So for that we have to write DDL query. So here by using the command update, we can update a relevant row. So here I have selected the column name first name, and I have changed it to the Amanda instead of the first name already in the table. I have changed it into Amanda, and here's the condition. This student ID should be equal to 5. So by using this command, we can change the first name of the student whose ID equal 5. Now I'm going to run this. So you can see the query has been run. Now I'm going to check it in the AD software. So you can see the first name of the students who are ID is equal to 5 has been changed into Amanda. So in the second part of this question set, teacher ID 2, the first name of the teacher should be changed to Kamal, the last name to Senadira, the gender to male, the phone number to this, and the email address to this. So let's check the teacher who's corresponded to. So here's the teacher who's corresponded to is Piyumi Boteju, and we have to change this column, this row into the given data. For this question also we have to use the command update. So let's see. So here's the DDL query to update the row. So here first of all the teacher ID should equal to 2. Here's the condition, teacher ID should equal to 2, and here are the changing data. First name should equal to Kamal, then the last name should update to Sainadir, then gender into male, contact number into this, email into that kamal@gmail.com. Now I'm going to run this. So you can see the DDL query has been run. Now I'm going to check it in the Hades software. I'm going to refresh this. So you can see the teacher who's corresponding to this ID 2 has been updated into command. So in the third part, search for Ruwan Rajapaksha teacher ID using the teachers table. So we have to get the teacher's ID of Ruwan Rajapaksha. For this question also we have to use DDL queries. So here's the relevant query to search relevant column. So here I have select the teacher's ID from the teacher's table, and here's the condition. In the condition I have said that first name should be equal to Ruwan and the last name should be equal to Rajapaksha. Now I'm going to run this. So you can see here's the answer. Here's the output of this query. So you can see the teacher's ID of this Ruwan Rajapaksha is 3. In the fourth question, find the teacher ID of the teachers who teach science. To do this search, the teacher table and the teacher has subject tables create the required query. So for this question, for the fourth part of this question, we have to get two tables, teacher's table and the teacher has subject table. So for that we can use subqueries. So let's see. So you can see here, first I have get the teacher's ID from teacher has subject table, and where by using this command where I have get the subject ID from this subquery. So now I'm going to run this. So you can see teacher's ID are 4, 2 and 3. That means teachers who are teaching science subject are 4, 2 and 3. Now in the fifth question, create a view named view subject with view to view all the subjects. Use the subject table for that, create the relevant query. So in the fifth part of this fifth part we have to create a view. So in my previous videos I have discussed how to create a view by using the Heidi software. But in this question set we have to create a view by using DDL query. So let's see. So, now here's the query to create a view by using DDL query. So by using the command create view we can create a view, and here's the name. The name is view subject, and we have to select all the subject. We have to select all the data from the subject table to create this view, and we have named it as view subject. Now I'm going to run this. So you can see our DDL query has been run and the view has been created. Now I will open Heidi software to check whether this view has been created or not. So here's the I will refresh this. Now we can check. So you can see our view subject has been created. So you can see the view has been created. To create this view we have used DDL queries, and here's the query. So today I have discussed question set 48, and thank you everyone for listening.